Welcome to the world of home decoration, where creativity meets comfort. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just starting out, this journey is all about transforming your space into a reflection of your personality. From choosing the perfect color palette to selecting unique decor pieces, every detail matters. Join us as we explore inspiring ideas, DIY projects, and tips to help you create a home that feels uniquely yours. Let's dive into the art of home decoration and unlock the potential of your living space. Inspiring idea, unique home decoration projects. In this video, we'll explore a variety of creative home decoration projects that will breathe new life into your living space. Whether you're looking to add a touch of personality to your home or seeking budget-friendly DIY ideas, this guide has you covered. We'll showcase 3 inspiring projects. Rustic wooden wall art. Learn how to create stunning wall hangings using reclaimed wood, paint, and simple tools. Handmade decorative shelves. Discover how to craft stylish shelves that not only serve a purpose but also enhance your decor. Personalized photo frames. Transform ordinary frames into unique pieces by incorporating natural elements like twine, greenery, or paint. Join us as we take you step by step through each project, offering tips and tricks to make your home decor uniquely yours. Grab your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let's make your home a reflection of your style. Idea for home decoration lover. Here are some inspiring ideas for home decoration lovers. 1. Gallery wall. Create a stunning gallery wall with a mix of framed art, photographs, and mirrors. Use a variety of frame styles and colors for an eclectic look. Incorporate personal touches like travel photos or family portraits. 2. DIY macrame plant hangers. Add a bohemian touch to your space with handmade macrame plant hangers. Hang them in windows or from the ceiling to display your favorite plants, bringing a natural vibe indoors. 3. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a new life by upcycling. Paint or stain wooden pieces, add new hardware, or reupholster chairs with vibrant fabric to create unique statement pieces. hardware, or reupholster chairs with vibrant fabric to create unique statement pieces. 4. Seasonal decor. Change your decor with the seasons. Use natural elements like pine cones in winter, flowers in spring, or leaves in autumn to refresh your home's aesthetic. 5. Textured throws and pillows. Layer different textures with cozy throws and decorative pillows. Mix materials like knit, faux fur, and linen to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Statement lighting. Invest in eye-catching light fixtures, such as a vintage chandelier or modern pendant lights. Unique lighting can significantly enhance the ambience of a room. 7. Rustic wooden accents. Incorporate wooden elements like shelves, table centerpieces, or decorative trays. These can add warmth and a rustic charm to any space. 8. Personalized wall decals. Use removable wall decals to add quotes, patterns, or designs that resonate with your personality. These can be easily changed or removed as your style evolves. 9. Indoor herb garden. Create a small indoor herb garden using decorative pots. This not only beautifies your kitchen but also provides fresh herbs for cooking. 10. Cohesive color palette. Select a color palette that resonates with you and use it throughout your home. Stick to a few complementary colors to create a cohesive and harmonious look. These ideas can help you personalize your space and make it a reflection of your style and personality. Gallery wall idea. Creating a gallery wall is a fantastic way to showcase your personality and style. Here's a detailed plan to help you design an inspiring gallery wall. Concept. Combine various art pieces, photographs, and decorative items to create a visually appealing focal point in your room. Common locations include living rooms, hallways, or above a sofa. Select a theme. Decide on a theme for your gallery wall. This could be based on a color palette, a specific style, e.g., modern, vintage, bohemian, or a collection, like travel photos or family portraits. Gather your pieces. Collect a mix of items such as framed art prints or paintings, personal photographs in varying sizes, mirrors to add depth, decorative items like wall hangings or sculptures. Layout planning. Before hanging anything, lay the pieces on the floor to experiment with arrangements. Consider symmetrical versus asymmetrical layouts. Keeping similar sizes together or mixing sizes for a more dynamic look. Using a central piece as a focal point. Create a template. Use paper cutouts of your frames to create a template on the wall. Tape them up to visualize the arrangement and ensure spacing feels right. Hang your pieces. Start with the central or largest piece and work outward. Use a mix of hanging techniques, nails, hooks, or adhesive strips, based on the weight of the items. Add finishing touches. Incorporate small decorative elements like fairy lights, plants, or hanging plants to enhance the display. This adds texture and interest. Adjust as needed. Step back frequently to assess the overall look. Don't hesitate to rearrange pieces until you achieve the desired effect. Tips. Use a consistent frame color or style to unify the collection, or mix and match for a more eclectic vibe. Consider the height at which you hang your artwork. Generally, eye level is ideal. Regularly update your gallery wall with new pieces to keep it fresh and reflective of your evolving style. By following these steps, you can create a stunning gallery wall that becomes a conversation starter and a beautiful representation of your unique tastes. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of home decoration. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas to help you elevate your space. Remember, your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Whether it's through DIY projects, creative layouts, or thoughtful decor choices, the possibilities are endless. Keep experimenting and have fun with your home decor journey. Don't forget to share your creations with us, and stay tuned for more tips and inspiration to make your home a true sanctuary.